Hey guys, in this video let's find out which plugin is better, Conveythis Translate or TRANSLATEPRESS for WordPress and any other popular CMSs. If you're interested to find out, sit down and let's keep watching. So to make the comparison, we split the comparison into four major categories. Category number one is the ease of the customization. Category number two is the ease of integration. 3 is the proofreading capacity, and number 4 is the search engine optimization aspect. How easy is your website going to be found in a foreign language? So number 1, ease of integration is how easy it is to download, activate the license, and install the plugin into your website. Both plugins seem to be working equally well. TranslatePress can be activated fast enough, and Conveythis Translate also comes with the easy customization where you have to download and copy paste the API license and select the language pairs you would like to work with. Everything else is working outside the box. Number 2 is the customization. Is how easy you want to customize your appearance or your widget so it would look differently depending on your situation. For example, if default installations comes with the rectangular flags, you want to change them to round flags or square flags or no language flags at all. Or if you live in Canada and you speak Canadian French and you don't want your language widget to display French or France flag. So you can replace it with the Canadian flag with the maple, and the widget will still be loading on the website. So that's what we call the customization. In addition, if the widget it is displayed by default on the bottom right corner of the page and as affixed to the absolute position, you can also customize the widget into the menu to be loadable in some divs and CSS navigation, so it's up to you. So Conveythis excels in this capacity because it offers both default installation as the floating language switcher, but it also can be integrated into the menus and be hidden even sometimes into the menus. So it's easy to integrate and work with. Number 3 is how easy it is to proofread your translations. As you know, all these plugins comes with the machine translation, and despite that advances of the machine translation, it's still not ready for production. Whenever you are going to use your website to sell online, whether you sell goods or services or online courses, you have to bring some human being to proofread your machine translations, because this can be only served as the ground layer. The final production has to be done by some human being. So TranslatePress does not have this option. It only offers the machine translation by default, but Conveythis offers that as well. So with Conveythis, you can pre-translate everything with the machine translator, and then you can have 2 interfaces to do the corrections. Interface number 1, you can do it side by side in a text string interface, so you can compare like an Excel spreadsheet, column A and column B, and you can see the original and the translation, and you can make the changes. Or the second interface is called the visual interface, when you actually load the translated web page, how it looks in the browser, and you can click around on the web page and change those elements yourself. So this is easy to work with. So in addition, you can also hire professional linguists from company Translation Services USA. For a certain sum, they can do the translation in a quality way and very fast. It will be much faster than do it yourself or trying to scramble, find your friends, and have all these headaches. It's up to you. If you're an entrepreneur, you need to decide that how worth it, how much value do you own time. And number 4 is the search engine optimization aspect. As you know, when you deploy the language version, you might want to have this version to be translatable, right? It has to be bringing the website traffic from Google which is a major search engine, and you want to make more sales. So ultimately, you want your plugin to create those additional pages which would be crawlable by spiders and be memorized, and new traffic could be sent to them. So Conveythis offers that as well for WordPress and other CMSs. You can bin your custom subdomains and your own purchase domains, and spiders will be able to discover your new content and bring traffic to it. We've done this study, and we find out that when our users download and install Conveythis Translate and translate their websites into 5 major languages such as Spanish, French, Arabic, Chinese, and Russian, they see the increase in website traffic up to 50% organically. That means without doing anything else, no promotion whatsoever, just installation of the website, the language widget. So here is the comparison of both major plugins, TRANSLATEPRESS and Conveythis Translate, and you guys decide which one you would like to use, and share us your comments. Tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.